Delivery 5/5, exactly on time as promised at my office. Look 4/5, so shiny you need to clean stains if any. Value for money 4/5 at ours. 499, ease of usage 4/5. I have used similar products. Do not change purpose or food item may get stuck. Deposit in corners. Repairability 2/5. Hand could not go inside for proper washing. Calcium, magnesium deposit on heating coil requires lemon wash. Came in a day during the shopping festival. And quality is good for its price. ANS got it for a good deal too. Overall a good product. Recommended if you are looking for an electric kettle which is affordable. I can't believe I got this for 500 rupees. Really a good purchase, using it for more than 6 months now. Wonderful product. Best good quality. You could mention durability, easy to use, and value for money, suggest by Amazon. I ordered this product during sale season and I've got it for 490 rupees only. So at this price this is something best I can get. But if you are getting it for more than 700, go for other option. This doesn't worth that much. Totally value for money. Very durable, easy to use. Water boiled quite quickly. Ordered during Great Indian Festival at very reasonable price. Waiting for more offers to purchase again. There is one thing though. Wish the kettle design. The pouring part was bit smaller. Useful product and it's good. When in terms of using. I got this kettle at 499 from Amazon. First I got a leaking product but I replaced it and the new product I received was finally working. Replacing was an easy process. Click link in description for more reviews.